Your eyebrows say a lot about you. So why not experiment? Your face can transform just by changing your eyebrow shape. Expressing yourself the way you want. Whether arched, straight, classic, full or thin. Staying on trend or going retro, shaping your brows can be so much fun. But you need the right tools to make your mark. Create your look and let your eyebrows do the talking. So we have a way to make this easy and super doable on the go. With Veet Sensitive Touch Expert. Use the vertical facial trimming head with adjustable eyebrow head. For high precision, move the head into your preferred adjustable position. From the options available, left angle, center, and right angle. For length definition, choose between the two comb lengths and place the styler comb over the preferred trimming blade. Place the device over your eyebrow and move it against the direction of hair growth. For contouring, remove the styler comb. Choose between the two trimming blades, ideal for eyebrow and other facial areas. Touch skin lightly and push it across the skin, moving it against the direction of hair growth. And you're done. Removing your underarm hair has never been so easy and convenient. Remove the adjustable head by turning it anti-clockwise and place a different head. And the best part? It can be used in the shower too. Look, see how it cleans through the underarms. So quick and effortless. This handy trimmer is perfect to use on the bikini area too. Now let's get started. For length definition, choose between the two different combs and fix the trimmer comb on the trimming head. Move the device in the opposite direction of hair growth. For close trimming and shaping, hold the device parallel to the skin with the on-off push button facing outwards. Touch skin lightly and move the device in the opposite direction of hair growth for trimming and in the direction of hair growth for shaping. So quick and easy. Stay always ready. With new Veet Sensitive Touch Expert.